Electricity helped start an industrial revolution in America. And when the economy was booming in the 1920s, the pioneers of electricity raced to build bigger and better power plants. And this is one of them. Buck Power Station outside Salisbury, North Carolina. It's a quarter of a mile long and 5 stories high. It's made of 30,000 tons of metal and brick. In 1925, most of the country was still lit by kerosene and powered by steam. Only a third of everyday Americans had access to electricity. Several hydro and fossil-fueled power plants were built in the first 2 decades of the 1900s, but special engineering was pioneered here at Buck. For almost a century, this place transformed this part of America. And for all that time, Buck was completely dependent on coal, burning up to 10,000 tons of it every single day. Finally, coal power is being replaced by cleaner, greener, more efficient ways of producing electricity. Now, this is a dinosaur of the coal age, and its era is truly over. So we're gonna tear it apart. Here's the plan. Over the next 12 months, I'm gonna help a demolition team gut the place. As they salvage what they can to sell for recycling, we'll set detonators and implode the whole thing. Before the boom, I'll reveal the 5 engineering innovations inside this plant that first transformed American life and then powered it for nearly a century. First, the vast boilers that devoured coal to make high-pressure steam. The mammoth turbines whose fan blades use steam to create motion. The enormous generators that turned motion into electricity. The giant condensers which allowed the whole process to run with maximum efficiency. And the towering modern precipitators built to battle the pollution made by burning coal.
So actually, probably the best thing to do is actually start about the beginning of the process.
Ronnie Goodman is the demolition engineer in charge of making it all happen. This is not his first rodeo. Ronnie's already demolished 6 coal power plants and has agreed to share his trade secrets with me.
The building you see today, it will look similar to that the day we implode that building, but you'll take months and months of preparation, and then all of a sudden they'll push the button. Seconds later, the whole building's reduced to a small pile.
Demo work is a science and a business. There's 30,000 tons of valuable metal here. It could be worth $10 million if you're willing to do the hard work to get it out.
We'll come through, all these windows will get removed to this building here. Turbine generator work, condenser removal work. That process will keep continuing down towards this end of the building.
They're starting on the 6 massive boilers. Conveniently, those are also the first engineering innovation I want to uncover. Down here in the dark. Somewhere around here, I can hear the team working hard to cut through all that steel. They're starting at the bottom of the boiler and using flame cutters to slice through the enormous pipes that supplied the boilers with water. But cutting those pipes free is dangerous work.
Whoa! Now that's how you take apart a power plant. So this used to be a giant pipe, like a 3-foot diameter pipe. It's 2.5 inches thick of steel that's at the bottom of the boiler. They already cut off the bottom part of the pipe, Now the guy's in the crawl space and getting rid of the top. And these pieces have got to weigh a couple thousand pounds each.